Hello students, today we are going to learn about vowel sound. So you know about phonic sounds and now we are talking about vowel sound. So what is vowel? In English alphabet there are 5 vowels. Total 26 alphabets are there and out of 26, 5 are vowels and they are A, E, I, O and U. These 5 vowels have their own sound and other than these 5 vowels, all are consonants. Let's start with A vowel. Sound of A vowel is A, and when this vowel combined with any consonant, it make a different sound like AB, ab, AD, ad, AG, ag, AM, am, AN, an, AP, app, AT, at. Let's see some words with these all sounds. AB, 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 cab, tab, tab, lab, lab. Now ad, ad, sad, sad, dad, dad, lad, ag, ag, tag, bag, rag, am, ham, dam, jam, an, pan, man, fan, ap, app, cap, map, lap, at, cat, rat, mat. Now learn reading with proper vowel sound and keep practice. All the best.